Nigerian police must always respect court orders. My dear listeners, here is Chief Justice Kekereekun warning to IGP Egbetokun. My dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. Please stay tuned as I read today's news. The Chief Justice of Nigeria (CJN), Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, has urged security agencies to fully comply with court orders and uphold human rights, warning that disobedience undermines the integrity of the judiciary and public trust in law enforcement. Justice Kekereekun made the call when the Inspector General of Police (IGP) Kayode Egbetokun led a delegation to pay a courtesy visit in Abuja, according to a statement by our Senior Special Assistant on Media, Toby Shoniyi. She expressed concerns over the increasing disregard for judicial decisions by some law enforcement officers, stressing that the rule of law demands strict adherence to court rulings. She called on the IGP to issue clear directives ensuring that judgments are respected and promptly executed. The CJN also raised concerns about threats faced by judges, court officials, and litigants, especially in high profiles or political sensitive cases. She urged the police to provide better security at court premises, particularly in areas prone to violence. Justice Kekereekun emphasized that protecting judicial officers from intimidation and harassment is essential to maintaining judicial independence and ensuring fair administration of justice. The CJN noted the need for strict compliance with constitutional safeguards, including the right to legal representation, the right to be informed of charges, and the right to be promptly brought before a court. She also underscored the importance of protecting vulnerable groups such as women, children, and persons with disabilities. Highlighting key provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, ACJA 2015, she reiterated the prohibition of arresting individuals in lieu of a suspect, subjecting suspects to inhumane treatment, and failing to electronically record confessional statements. She reminded law enforcement that under Section 7 of the ACJA, arresting a suspect's family members or associates is illegal. Justice Kekereekun called for internal disciplinary measures within the Nigerian police force to prevent unlawful practices and urged the Inspector General of Police (IGP) to implement mechanisms to monitor and curb police brutality. She stressed that officers who violate the law must be held accountable. The Chief Justice of Nigeria (CJN) reaffirmed the constitutional obligation to treat suspects with dignity and emphasized compliance with Section 8(1) of the ACJA, which prohibits torture, inhumane or degrading treatment. She further identified poor investigative processes, inadequate case preparation, and delays in prosecution as major contributors to prolonged trials and prison congestion. To address this, she urged law enforcement and related agencies to complete investigations before filing charges, ensuring that cases are not dismissed due to lack of evidence. Justice Kekereekun also advocated for improved coordination between the police, the Ministry of Justice, and the judiciary to enhance case prosecution and strengthen the justice system. My dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. The first comment here says, the first comment here says, corruption in the judiciary is alarming and dangerous for the so-called democracy. Justice is for the highest bidders and those connected to the authority. The CJN can't make any difference because it is for the same purpose she was appointed, and she is there to serve the purpose of those that appointed her. Nigeria is in trouble. The last hope of common man is now the last hope of the rich to destroy the common man. Justice is for sale in Nigeria. Another comment here says the judiciary is no longer respected because of corruption. The common criminal justice system has lost its reputation. And the last comment here says this woman is amongst the judges that removed our choice of governor in Imo State, and ever since, Imo State has never remained the same. Now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.